Stop scrolling! August is one of the best months to travel, and I'm about to show you where, from cool mountain escapes to exotic beaches across the globe, these destinations will have you packing tonight. Let's dive into the best places to travel in August. First up, the USA in August. Alaska comes alive with summer. Think glaciers, whales, and national parks bursting with life. Whether you take a cruise or road trip through Denali, you'll get endless photo-worthy moments. Next, the Oregon coast. Mild weather, rugged beauty, and coastal towns serving fresh off-the-boat seafood. It's perfect for a scenic road trip without the California price tag. Then we have Maine. If you've never had lobster in August, you haven't lived. Add in Acadia National Park's hiking trails and you've got the perfect New England summer getaway. And for some nostalgia, head to the Great Smoky Mountains. Cooler temps, wildflower trails, and, yes, a little Dollywood magic. For an endless summer, visit Hawaii. Warm waters, sunny skies, and options for every traveler. Maui for beaches, Kauai for adventure, or the Big Island for volcano views. You won't forget. Now, let's go international. Iceland's midnight sun in August means long daylight hours. Perfect for chasing waterfalls, exploring glaciers, and soaking in geothermal spas. Next, Scotland. Edinburgh transforms into one giant stage with the Fringe Festival and Royal Military Tattoo. Cool weather, rich history, and non-stop performances. Then Italy. The Amalfi Coast and Sicily. Yes, it's busy. Yes, it's worth it. August is peak Dolce Vita season. Think sun-soaked beaches, coastal towns, and endless gelato breaks. For dry season bliss, visit Bali. Golden beaches, lush rice terraces, vibrant temples, and picture-perfect sunsets. August is one of the best months to visit, and for a safari adventure, head to South Africa. Winter in South Africa means cooler temps and incredible wildlife spotting. Pair a safari in Kruger National Park with wine tasting in Cape Town for the ultimate trip. So whether you want to explore your own backyard or cross a few countries off your bucket list, August has something for every trip. Tell me in the comments where you go, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and start planning your next adventure. Safe travels!